How to recover my deleted Telegram account. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to recover my deleted Telegram account. First, navigate to the Telegram support website on your PC. Once you reach here, describe your issue of your channel in detail. You can use words such as you want to recover your account along with your photos and chat history. Next, you will enter your full legal name in the provided area. After that, provide your email address and the phone number that is given on your Telegram account. Double-check your details to make sure they are accurate. Lastly, hit the Submit button to send your request. Telegram support team will review your request and get back to you with assistance. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.